Okay, so you have a boot looping iPhone. About every 3 minutes it boot loops. Shuts off. So I'm gonna set the timer. I just turned this one on like maybe 10 seconds ago. And then I'll fast forward the video here so you can see it turning off in about 3 minutes. And there she goes, she turned off. Give it a minute, it's gonna boot back on. Okay, and I'll probably cut this so that we don't see the person's photos here after it boots up. Okay, we're back. Now, what you're gonna wanna do is go to Privacy and Security, Analytics and Improvements, actually no, Analytic Data. Find the Panic Fool. Too far. Right, here's the most recent one. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. I took a screenshot of already, so I'll probably splice that into the video. But right here, sensor array 0x800000. That's the number you're looking for. Okay, so now that you have that panic log, let's go here. It's right there, panic log full. Right there, 0x800000 sensor array. I made this shortcut. Right here. Here are all the codes that you can get. iPhone 11 to 12 Pro Max, 13 to Pro Max, 13 Pro Max. Now here's where it gets a little tricky. The 15 or the 14 to the 15 Pro Max. But basically what you'll do, since you have that screenshot or a picture of the Panic Fool, run this shortcut. You'll pick out that panic log. So it's going to bring back all that code that's in there. If you look right here, there it is. Hit done. And then for this shortcut, you got to click it to get a better view of the output. But there's the code it found. It's the proximity flex cable. If iPhone 15 or 15 Plus, it's the charging port flex. And that's kind of where they get you. Done. Got a bug in there where it keeps showing it to you. So we'll do it again with a different code. We'll use this one. This one has a different code in it, which is right there. 0x200000. So I'll hit done. And there we go. It's proximity flex cable. If 15 or 15 Plus, it's the wireless charging flex. I'm going to do it one more time with that other one. Done. Yeah, proximity flex. There you go. Like and subscribe. I'll try and go more in depth about this shortcut I mean, it looks pretty hard, but it's pretty simple once you get them figured out. I definitely had a lot of help with this from these guys, but hope this helps some of you out.